Hey guys, it's Troy over at Choice Window Tinting. Just finished tinting this 2017. It's a ZL1 Camaro. We put the Lumar CTX Nano Ceramic window film on here. We did 30% all the way around. So you guys looking for 30%? This is what 30% looks like on a Camaro. It looks dark. It's because of the size of the windows. Normally it doesn't look that dark. Back windows all one piece, no bubbles, no dirt, no dust, no hairs, no creases. The tint's nice and tight. So the patterns go all the way to the top edge like you see here. We clean up after ourselves. We even put these little stickers on the doors so you don't forget to roll your windows down. We also did a clear film on the windshield. I don't know if you can tell, but it's clear. It's amazing. It cuts almost half the heat, all the UV. So give us a call at Choice Window Tinting today for your estimate.